Welcome back, YouTube. So this video is how to gangbang using emojis slash. There's gonna be a couple songs in here too, but yeah, we're gonna get into it. How to stack using emojis.
I got these drugs in my system and I'm still trying to take the pain away. Pain for me, I don't need nobody trying to change my ways. Stacking this phase, I'm dying slowly trying to count my days. If I don't change, that's my fault. The time I died, it ain't arresting me, a felony. All my nigga rest in peace, remember me.
First emoji is gonna be the crushing fives or cracking fives. So it's gonna be the high five emoji like that, and it's gonna be the emoji like that, the closed fist emoji. So when you pop the emoji up on the thing, it's gonna be five, then you put that. So it's gonna be like cracking fives. The next one is loke. How you throw up loke in the emoji is loke is gonna be like that. This is how you throw up loke, but when you do an emoji, it's gonna be like. It's gonna be that emoji. So, but it's really, that's what it stands for. But on the emoji, it's gonna be like that. It's gonna be that emoji. Emoji is neighborhood. Now you throw up neighborhood like that, the 3 fingers, but when you use an emoji, you're gonna use, alright. You're gonna throw up this emoji. Y'all know that emoji? Yeah. Is that the come in peace emoji? I don't know. But yeah, it's gonna be the throwing up peace emoji. So that's the emoji, but it represents neighborhood. The next one is wipe your nose, that blood. You know how everybody be doing that NBA young boy slime with the blood, that blood shit. Well, it's gonna be that. It's gonna be that emoji. So it's gonna be that stands for that. So it's gonna be like that emoji, and it's gonna be the thumbs down emoji. So, cause you know how Crip we do like so that's what. Boom. So you throwing down you throwing down, you know what I'm saying. This is the neighborhood blood. This is how you throw up neighborhood blood. So when you're doing the emoji with it, you going so you can either do it like boom, neighborhood, thumbs down, or you can do the middle finger emoji and do the blood. So it's gonna be fuck blood. So that's what. Also, they got an emoji for that too. They got an emoji for the middle finger. They got emoji for that, so that's really just 2. Next one is the Crip emoji. I'm just gonna put that right there. That stands for see Crip, don't know Crip. Good. The next one is blood and the thumbs down emoji. So it's gonna be that B emoji with the red. Yeah, y'all know that emoji. Yeah, it's gonna be that and the thumbs down emoji. So that stands for doing like that, like boom, like good. Or you can just do it like that, thumbs down, blood, like, yeah. Hey, I forgot about this one too. Alright, so you know how you do the blood emoji, how you throw a blood, you can also do the middle finger emoji too, and do it like that. Like, it's the same thing. Forgot about that one, so I'll just do that one in for y'all, for real. The next one is rolling. How you can do rolling is you use both of the fists. One fist is gonna be like that, and the other fist is gonna be like that. So that just stands for rolling. Yeah, I think that's all the emojis that you will use when you gangbang it. I mean, unless you have like a certain emoji that stands for your hood, then you'll put that. Or like if you rolling 60s, I think they got a 60 emoji. So like you just do like you know how you have the numbers. So that's how you would like stack like where you from, neighborhood 60s or rolling 20s or rolling 30s. You will put the 3 and the 0 or the 6 and the 0 or the 4 and 0. Like you will put that right there to represent the certain ones and stuff. What your set will be. So that is a video on how to stack using emojis. And yeah, if you Crip, use all those on the hood. Do trades, but I'll see y'all next time. See safe. Wolfpack. On game.
We're eating good. It's Jamaican money. I gotta go convert this kind of I don't even know where to start. See, y'all deal with that hate and stuff. Look what I'm doing. I don't understand why y'all bothering none of y'all. Not coming at you with me.